Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Yamaha XT250 Dual Sport. Beautiful condition, only 1,700 miles on this nice lightweight single cylinder dual sport. It's got the hand guards. It's really like showroom condition. Come on by, make your lightweight dual sport dreams come true for just $51.99 with this gorgeous Yamaha XT250. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.